Hi, I want to go through a couple of the Math Excel problems called percent practice. So the first one, I think this was one for question number 2. So remember, your questions are going to look just a little different than mine, but you should be able to follow the same steps that I'm showing you with the numbers that they give you. So 7 is what percent of 35? And so I want to pull up this. So it's mirroring my phone right now. And it says 7. Oh, I'll write this way so you can see it better. 7 is, when you see equals, when you see is, it's an equal sign. And then it says what percent of the, anytime you see the word of, it means multiply. And so you get 7 equals X percent of 35. So then what you can do, since this is times, to solve the equation, you would divide both sides by 35. And so then you would have X equals, when you simplify this as a fraction, you would get 1/5, and then 1/5 is 0.2. When you 1 divide by 5, you'll get 0.2. And then don't forget about this percent sign. So in order to take a decimal and change it to a percent, you move it 2 places to the right, so it becomes 20%. Now the actual question says blank percent. So you don't need the percent sign. You're just going to type in 20. And then you can move on. And then I want to do number 6. Just going to do a couple different problems. My number 6 says, in a car survey of 2,100 people who owned a certain type of car, 420 said that they would buy that kind of car again. What percent were satisfied with the car? Well, so there were, altogether, there's 2,100 people, and 420, if they're going to buy the car again, they are obviously satisfied. So that would be your top number. So 420 out of 2,100. And so then you would put that in your calculator, 420 divide by 2,100. And then that would give you the answer. So when I put that in my calculator here, 420 divided by 2,100, I get 0.2. Again, to make that a percent, you would move the decimal 2 places, and so it would be 20%. Next, I want to show you number 10. And you will want to click on Improve Score, not Review, which is what I'm on. But if you go to Improve Score, then you'll be able to get this. It says the sales tax in a major city is 7%. Find the total cost, including the tax, charged on a purchase of $200. Well, so we have a $200 purchase. Okay, sorry about that. My phone was being weird. Okay, so we have a $200 purchase, and it says that the sales tax is 7%. So to find how much the sales tax would be, it would be 7% of $200. So of means multiply, and it'd be 0.07. Okay, so $200 is what it says, and then the sales tax is 7%. So you would change it to a decimal, so it becomes 0.07, and then you would type that in your calculator. So when I type that in my calculator, I get 200 times 0.07. I get $14. So sales tax would be $14. But you want to find the total cost. So then at the end, you're going to want to add your $200 back, because you had to pay the $200 plus the $14 sales tax. So your total would be $214. And if you have been stuck on this assignment, I hope that this will help you. Thank you.